Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Burger King Whopper at home. First, let's get that perfect patty ready. Start with high-quality 80/20 ground beef for maximum flavor. Gently form your patties, making them quite thin, around 1/4 inch thick, as they will plump up when cooked. Don't forget to season both sides generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper before grilling. Now let's get grilling. Place your seasoned patties on a hot grill, cooking them for about 2 to 3 minutes per side to achieve that classic flame-broiled taste. While the patties cook, lightly toast your sesame seed buns on the grill for a minute or two until golden. Finally, arrange your fresh toppings: crisp lettuce, ripe tomato slices, thinly sliced white onion, and tangy dill pickles. The secret to a great Whopper is often in the sauce. To make your own, simply combine mayonnaise, ketchup, and sweet pickle relish in a small bowl. For that signature tang, add a small dash of white vinegar and a pinch of sugar. Stir everything together until it's well combined, then let it chill in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. It's time for the grand finale, assembling your delicious homemade Whopper. Take your perfectly toasted buns and spread a generous amount of your special sauce on both the top and bottom halves. Place your flame-broiled patty on the bottom bun, adding a slice of cheese if you like. Then layer on your fresh toppings: lettuce, tomato, onion, and pickles. Top it with the other bun half, and there you have it, your very own Whopper. Finally, don't forget to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.